Across the globe, as the sun rises every morning, groundbreaking therapies take shape, bringing hope to patients in need. At ProBio, we are dedicated to advancing life sciences and partnering with pharma and biotech companies to transform research into real treatments that save and improve lives. With every discovery, every breakthrough, and every dose delivered, we stand committed to empowering health and shaping a better future for patients worldwide. At ProBio, we are committed to advancing biopharmaceutical innovation and partnering with pharma and biotech companies to deliver life-changing therapies to patients worldwide. As a trusted CDMO partner, we offer customized end-to-end services, from target discovery to commercial production, supporting the development of cell and gene therapies, antibody-based drugs, and recombinant proteins. Guided by our culture of quality and innovation, we collaborate with global biotech leaders to accelerate the development of advanced therapies for innovators worldwide. ProBio is dedicated to delivering world-class CDMO services with a customer-centric approach, ensuring that each solution is tailored to meet client needs. To better serve our global biopharmaceutical partners, we have built a comprehensive network of state-of-the-art facilities and specialized capabilities in multiple locations. Our China facilities provide R&D, CMC, and GMP manufacturing for biologics, along with plasmid and viral vector services. Meanwhile, our U.S. facility specializes in process development and GMP manufacturing for plasmids and viral vectors. With R&D and production hubs in the United States and China, complemented by office worldwide, ProBio ensures comprehensive, efficient, and rapid responses, along with localized support. This global presence enables us to assist partners in accelerating the translation of innovative therapies from concept to clinic. At the forefront of biopharmaceutical innovation, ProBio is committed to bringing the most advanced treatment options to patients worldwide. Since October 2017, we have successfully supported clients across the United States, Europe, and the Asia-Pacific region in securing over 100 IND approvals, helping to transform groundbreaking research into real-world therapies. At ProBio, we uphold the highest standards of quality and compliance, ensuring that every therapy we help develop meets the world's most stringent regulatory requirements and our customers' expectations. Quality is at the heart of everything we do. Our facilities have successfully passed over 180 audits, conducted by international regulatory agencies and clients, consistently meeting the rigorous regulatory and cGMP standards required for both clinical and commercial manufacturing worldwide. As a trusted CDMO partner, ProBio not only ensures quality-driven manufacturing, but also serves as a key facilitator in global drug development. We provide comprehensive regulatory and policy consultation services, helping our clients navigate complex international landscapes, including cultural, legal, and market differences, to successfully advance their therapies worldwide. From concept to cure, we are your global CDMO partner in biologics and cell and gene therapy. Let's shape the future of medicine together. With every technological advancement, the journey of scientific discovery continues. At ProBio, we stand with our partners, transforming breakthroughs into real treatments that change lives. With integrity, innovation, and a commitment to quality, we accelerate the future of medicine, bringing therapies from concept to cure. ProBio, customized CDMO solutions, developed faster, delivered better.